What's up, everybody? Rage Happy Gamer here, and I am really freaking pissed. I think I'm having a psycho breakdown. I'm serious. I don't care if it doesn't exist. I'm going psycho.
What are you doing?
YouTube video. You want to be in the volcanic bombs? Look. Hey, Isaiah. I got you in the video when you duck down. I know you're afraid of me. Nothing works for me anymore. I've tried being the nice guy, but I can't get around anything. All they do is blame me. All they do is sit on their arse and blame me. I'm done being that. Well, everybody, when I get to my mom's, I want a freaking year without friends. And I'm gonna do so many gameplays for you guys. I don't know. I'm just gonna have to do one every day now. Because I don't know what the hell is gonna calm me down. I honestly don't. Anyway, guys, I know you guys are only a few of you watching. Again, I'm not trying to act famous. I'm being serious. I've tried killing myself before. I've done it. If I threaten somebody again, I get 2 years jail time. And yeah, so that's about it for this a minute already video. Say hi, volcanic bombs. We got Fire's face paint. It does look cool. Anyway, guys, I don't know. It might take me another week to make a video. I don't know, guys. I'm just really stressed out. I'll see you guys later.